Okay, so for this tutorial we are going to make a crochet square. This is a crochet granny circle square, and I'm going to teach you how you can make it very easily. I'm going to use a 4 mm hook here, and I'm going to use a DK yarn, double knit yarn in color beige. So let's get started. So to start this, we are going to make a slip knot. Okay, so for slip knot, I have this method where I just wrap the yarn around my hook like this, give it one twist and pull the yarn through this loop, and that's how I make a slip knot like this. Okay, so after making a slip knot, I am going to chain 4. So 1 2 3 and 4. Now I am going to attach this with this first stitch over here to make a circle or a round, whatever you say. Oops. Just make a slip stitch like this, and now you have this small circle. So in this circle I am going to make a total of 12 double crochet. So let's start making. First I am going to chain 3, 1 2 and 3, and now I am going to make this 3 chain will act as our first double crochet, and now I am going to make 2 more double crochets into this round or circle. Now to make it a little bit squarey, I need to make some chains, so I am going to make 2 chains. Again I am going to make 3 double crochet into this same round. 1 2 and 3. Again I am going to make a corner. This chain 2 will act as our corner, so chain 2 and make a 3 double crochet set in this round again. So 1 2 and 3. Now I am going to make my final round of my final set of 3 double crochet with 2 chain in between. So 1 2 and 3. Now here I have to make another corner, so chain 2 and slip stitch into this third chain over here. Okay, so now here is a little tip I want to give you. As we cannot go backward, so we will go forward to this corner by making a slip stitches into each stitch like this. Insert the hook into this V and pull the yarn through and pull it through this loop, and one more. So now we are in this corner. Again we are going to make our row 2 like this row. So chain 3, this will act as our first double crochet. Now make 2 more double crochets in this corner, and now we have to make a corner again, a corner in the corner. Okay, so chain 2 and again make 3 double crochet into this same corner. 1 2 and this one is 3. See, now we have to jump into this second corner, leave these stitches and just make 3 double crochet into this corner. 1 2 and 3. Again make a corner by making 2 chains and make 3 double crochet into the same corner. So here I am making a corner within a corner. So go ahead and complete your row, and I will meet you when I reach here. Here I have completed this, and without doing anything I will jump into this 3 chain stitch and make a slip stitch on top of the third chain like this. And that's how we complete our second row. Now see, here we have one corner, this is the space, this is the corner. So now we will work into this spaces, the corners and the middle spaces. So as usual, make slip stitches to reach this corner like this, 1, 2, and the third one into this corner like this, and make 3 chains. Make 2 double crochet into this corner, make a corner, and make a set of 3 double crochet into this corner again. So we only need to make corner in the corners like this. We don't need to make corner here, we only need to make corner into this corners. Okay, so now I will jump into this middle space and make a 3 double crochet set here like this, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, again jump into this corner. Now we will make a corner. A corner consists of 2 sets of 3 double crochet with 2 chains in between. So 1, 2 and this one is third one, chain 2, make another set of 3 double crochet like this, 1, 2 and 3. Now go ahead and finish all your middle spaces and corner, and I will meet you when I reach here to connect this. Okay, so as you can see, I have completed this row, and now I am going to make a slip stitch on top of this third chain like this. And now I will just cut this cord because I don't want it to be I don't want to expand it more. So here you can see I have made this size of a granny square or a square. I will show you different variation in future. Just keep this in mind. If you want to expand it, just do the slip stitches here and reach this corner, make corner within the corner, and then you have these 2 spaces. Just don't make any chains in between and go directly into these spaces. See, in row 1 we created 4 corners. In row 2 we fulfill those corners and we created this 1 space in between. In row 3 we created corners as well as 1 additional space in between. Okay, so as you go above and above in row 4 and row 5 and row 6, you will get 1 additional of these middle spaces. Like in row 4 you will get 3 middle spaces, in row 5 you will get 4 middle spaces. So this is how you can expand your granny square. And if you like this tutorial and you want to see more, please like, share and subscribe our channel and this video, and we will see you in our next tutorial very soon. Till then, take care.